Now I'm ready to create my own project. How do I create one? Either from the File and New segment, or by pressing Ctrl and N on the keyboard. It first asks me to select an EPS. If you remember, we had already created our EPS. I click on it and choose Construction Branch. I click Next. It asks for project ID and project name. The project ID must be unique from the other created projects. I write ABC for project ID and ABC Residences for project name. I click Next again. Project planned start and must finish by. Project planned start is the planned start date of the project. I can enter any date I want here. Must finish by is the required completion date. This is an optional field. If you don't enter a date here, Primavera will automatically define the finish date based on the activities and relationships I input. But if I enter a date in must finish by field, this will become the strictest constraint in my schedule. If any of my activities or relationships affect the project end date, Primavera will highlight them in red as critical. I'm leaving this field empty for now. After I create and progress the project, I'll come back here and enter a date to observe the impact. I click Next again for now. Responsible Manager. Since we already defined this in the EPS, it appears here. But if we hadn't defined it earlier, we could also select here from clicking double dots here. I click Next again. Rate type. If you don't have a specific financial reason, standard rate type is the most common rate type to use. I click Next again. And congratulations, I have now created a new project. I click Finish. You'll see ABC Residences project created under Construction EPS in Company A. I want to leave a note here. We cannot open projects by double-clicking them on directly. This only lets us view or edit the project name and ID. To open a project, we need to right-click and select Open Project. It's completely a blank project. We will start adding WBS and activities in this page.